The Toyota Camry has long been America's favorite sedan, and for good reason. The 2024 model continues to offer a winning combination of reliability, comfort, and value that keeps buyers coming back year after year. While it may not set pulses racing, the Camry remains a solid choice in the midsize sedan segment. For 2024, changes are minimal. The only notable update is the removal of Amazon Alexa integration from the infotainment system. Otherwise, this is largely the same Camry that's been on sale since 2018. That's not necessarily a bad thing, as Toyota has refined its formula over decades. Under the hood, the standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 202 horsepower in most trims. While adequate for daily driving, it won't win any drag races. Those seeking more oomph can opt for the silky-smooth 3.5-liter V6, which pumps out a healthy 301 horsepower. The Camry Hybrid pairs a version of the four-cylinder with electric motors for a total of 208 horsepower and excellent fuel economy. On the road, the Camry delivers a comfortable and controlled ride. Handling is predictable if not sporty, though the TRD model adds some athleticism with a sport-tuned suspension. The steering is nicely weighted and the brakes provide confident stopping power. Inside, the Camry offers a spacious and well-built cabin. Lower trims can feel a bit plain, but higher-end XLE and XSE models feature attractive materials and near-luxury levels of comfort. The infotainment system is reasonably intuitive, with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Safety remains a strong point, with Toyota's SafetySense suite of driver aids standard across the lineup. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Fuel economy is another Camry strong suit. The base four-cylinder returns an EPA-estimated 28 mpg city and 39 mpg highway. Hybrid models are even more frugal, achieving up to 51 mpg city and 53 mpg highway in LE trim. While the Camry faces stiff competition from rivals like the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata, it continues to hold its own in the segment. Its blend of comfort, efficiency, and reliability make it an excellent choice for those seeking a no-fuss family sedan. The Toyota Camry may not be the most exciting car on the road, but it excels at being a dependable, comfortable, and efficient midsize sedan. With a wide range of trims and powertrains to choose from, there's likely a Camry to suit most buyers' needs. While enthusiasts may want to look elsewhere, the Camry remains a smart choice for those prioritizing practicality and peace of mind. The Camry lineup offers something for everyone, with prices ranging from $27,500 for the base LE to $35,400 for the top XSE Hybrid trim. Most buyers will likely gravitate towards mid-range SE and XLE models, which offer a good balance of features and value.